Cities spend millions on IoT sensors to detect infrastructure problems. CityPulse takes a different approach. It turns every citizen's phone into a smart city sensor. Each report is AI classified in seconds. Citizens can verify report and city workers track resolution, all from the map. 3 citizen confirmations automatically escalate a report priority. Submitting a report takes about 10 seconds. You only need to select a picture or take a photo and select your current location, and then AI do the rest. So here AI identified a pothole with high severity on the road, and then the AI will escalate this issue to the relevant department of the city. In case of a new report, a notification will appear without the need of refreshing. I will submit a report from other device, and here the notification appears on the right side. Here there is a crash, the report with high severity. The citizens can also ask the AI assistant about their city. It answers using live report data and local news. No generic responses, but actual numbers and neighborhood names from the database. Here it says that Hauptbahnhof needs the most attention here. For city officials, CityPulse auto-generates formal council briefing, executive summary, key findings, and recommended priorities, all driven by real data. We will look at the heat map. The heat map shows where reports concentrate across the city. Underneath, a clustering algorithm groups nearby reports into hotspots, and each neighborhood gets a risk grade. So city planners know exactly where to allocate resources. And here the cities, the risk zones. The whole platform is mobile first, works on any phone without installing an app, supporting dark mode, and is built for multi-city departments. There's also Berlin for now and Munich. They still don't have data yet, but this proves that we can have multi-cities, and the citizens should focus on populating data. Under the hood, Llama for Scout for vision classification, DBSCAN for spatial clustering, server-sent events for real-time updates, and a zero-config SQLite database. No expensive infrastructure required. CityPulse, every citizen is a sensor.